Now, I always say that Simpson protocol works for anything and everything attached to the mind. Everything and anything. But the Simpson protocol process itself is not for every practitioner or would-be practitioner. Because unlike stage hypnosis or talk therapy or suggestion hypnosis processes, the process works because the practitioner lets go. Lets go of control. Lets go of direction of the session. Even lets go of knowing what issue the client is working on. Of course, the client may not know consciously either. So there's two of you in the room or on the Zoom that don't know. But there's a powerful part of the client and a powerful part of the Simpson protocol process that does know the issue. And not only that, but knows the best way to resolve it. This, of course, means you don't have to be experienced practitioner to get the best from the Simpson protocol, as the practitioner is merely the guide, not the instigator of change. However, when you're allowing and empowering the client's mind and its connections to the work through the issue, there's a huge measure of trust. Now, for me, that trust comes from experience of 20 years of sessions doing exactly that. But for someone starting off, it's a strange stance to allow the process, to understand the most important thing going on isn't the practitioner. And gradually to realize that actually the less you do, the less effort you put in, the less knowledge of details you bring in, the better. So yes, SP is not for those who want to control, but it's for those who want to solve the problem of the client's issue and issues. It is for a person who only wants the best outcomes for their clients, even if it seems they personally are doing nothing. That's why this process is so effective after all. The mind doing the change is the mind that knows the most about the issue, the client's own mind. No judgment, no guesses, no rigid scripts. And I have to say that after 20 years of working with SP and having thousands of others learn to use SP, it still seems like magic to me.